Juan's first time making pancakes. Say hi, Juan. It's dark in this goddamn house. Someone turn on the lights. Yeah, I can see him. Let him do it by himself. Leave him alone, let him do it. No, let him do it. He's gonna eat that one. He's gonna eat that one himself. Oh, be quiet.
Just hold it. Just wait.
No, let him do it. Let him do it. Si se lo quema, se lo quema.
Look, guys, that's how you know, porque mira, de todo piso water por el culo, it's like girls' asses. You saying? Look at la mera pesa.
Let's see how he flips that bitch. He made that bitch into a taco, he said. A ver tu taco pancake. Yeah.
No, güey.
Hey Juan, your first pancake. Say what's up. Hey Juan, tell him how it was to make the first pancake.
Easy. This is the party to flip the motherfucker.
Yeah, no.
Nah, fucking flip that
Nah, you did that bitch good.
You had to wait for it to cook a bit more. Like you flip it.
You don't know how to make pancakes, nigga.
Look, I think you're missing a piece right there.
On a Samsung Galaxy S5.
Look at that piece right there.
I wish I could make a pancake.
I know, you lost that bitch on the
Car Toys wireless.
Eat that. I thought you eat it.
Alright, I'm posting this on Facebook now.